Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, we start putting fluids in the truck. We get her started, which is cool. We run into a couple of snags along the way, but that's to be as expected since we're working with 20-year-old hunks of junk here. So, yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned.
That's a way better look at it. Slowly draining. It's going. I was expecting a tongue. It was like, God, it's gonna be good when you look at the other video. Why is that so full? What just happened? Was that just a bubble? Oh, I was like, what the? It's literally so much fluid, bro. She's thirsty. She is. Oh my God. Oh. Away, just like the one-winged dove. Stop it, it's gonna be copyright. Sing the song! I hope it breaks into a cutscene where you're saying that and I'm just in the background going, ah! I'm gonna cut all this. So, not cut it out, but it's all gonna be in there. You cut pretty much anything of it. It's not gonna happen. It's gonna be all like time-lapse up until 30 or 40 seconds ago when you move the camera. Or it's gonna be stupid the whole time. Right now, that's what I'm telling you. Don't. I was born ready.
Okay. Sorry. All right.
Hang on. Yeah. Do it again. All right, stop. Come here. It's a ground. This ground wire right here,
Yeah?
at the back of the valve housing right there, was smoking. And it was almost like getting red. You know that? You see where that is? That could be causing this. I don't know what that ground is for, but
Just engine block ground. Heavy ground. That's getting red?
yeah,
It's warm.
I saw a strand getting red.
Why is that doing that? Alright guys, so as you can see it's light outside. It's a brand new day, so all of our auto parts stores are open today, and we got some of these little grounding leads for our battery. So they don't have like Motorcraft or whatever for the original Ford, so these are just really generic. And the only problem we have in here is that this hole is tiny and this stud is gigantic. So I'm going to have to drill it out a little bit. Got a brand new set of bits because I can't find all my other ones among this gigantic disaster that I like to call a garage. It's terrible. I have to clean it. But these were on sale because it's Black Friday, so whatever. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. We're going to install this. I got two of them just in case. I figured if one's bad, the other one's not far behind. These will be temporary. I'm going to order some real Motorcraft ones on Amazon probably, or from Ford if my dealer can get them, because they're better. They're thicker, for one, and this hole will be right, and then all these little connections will be right and not goofy and weird. So, yeah, that's that. Let's get started. Drill this hole and slap this thing together. So basically what you saw in that last clip was the grounding strap for the vehicle from the engine to the body was getting warm, and because it was taking the whole load of one of the batteries. So you can see our multimeter here, and she is working. But this whole ground lead for some reason is just dead. If you put this here, yeah, that should be close to zero. This is a fat wire. There's no reason for that. So basically this wasn't pulling its weight, and then this grounding strap over here, which is kind of hard to see in that last clip, it runs from this point here on the body all the way down, you can see down to here, and it just connects to the block. So, but yeah, that was taking this battery's entire load, because that's why we had to work on this. But yeah, now she's all right. So I got these here battery terminals all replaced. They're nice and tight. This one's not really going to anything, so there's nothing over here for it to go to. They're super long, not supposed to be that long, but that's what we have to work with. This one's all connected to the body and stuff, so I think we're ready to go for another try to start this thing. Hopefully, it doesn't light on fire like yesterday, so wish me luck.
No smoke that time. Honestly, it sounded like it was stronger. What?
That sounds like it should.
That's faster. I think so. Got a little extra juice going on here. See what she does. Yeah, it's way stronger. Smells bad. Smells like electricities. Come on! Oh my, why? Why is it doing this? Sounds like soup! Oh yeah! It's louder than that one! Woo!
Well guys, that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching. As you saw, we got the truck started. That was pretty cool. I took it around the block that night. It was pretty dark, so I didn't really film anything. There was a couple things we had in the next day after that start. Was that after we started at one time, the engine would get warm as normal. We'd go to shut it down, do whatever, like clean the window or replace the part or whatever, and then we'd go to restart the truck the same day, maybe 20 minutes later or whatever, still warm, and it would not start. The truck just would not start warm. So we troubleshooted it down to like the oil viscosity would get thinner because the truck was warmer. So we changed the low pressure oil pump, which is just your standard oil pump on your crankshaft. That wasn't it, that didn't fix it. There's an injector pressure regulator on the high pressure oil pump, which is used to drive all your injectors in these diesels. It's a really weird system, but it works. We changed that. That didn't fix anything, so we ultimately ended up changing the high pressure oil pump. And what we had found was that it was wore out and it just wouldn't pick up oil in its like lower viscosity state. So we replaced that. Now she starts when she's warm, which is awesome. I love it. We're having a couple other issues. One of the brakes is stuck a little bit on. I think it's the rear driver's side brake. So we're going to fix that in a future video. I'm also having a problem where there's not a lot of power coming out of this thing. I don't know if that's because these injectors haven't been running 4 years and they just need to run their cycle, or maybe the turbo's not pulling its weight as it should. It kind of feels like the latter, where the turbo's kind of messed up. But I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, for now she runs. That's cool. We're one step closer to getting her on the street and daily driving, so I don't have to mess with this Beamer not starting sometimes. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked it. Come back next time. We'll probably be working on this bad boy, hopefully. Yeah, if you liked the video, like it, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.